you none.
I didn't have change before. Here, baby.
Oh, well, thank you. Yeah, okay, thanks. Anyway, I have to let you guys know something. This is for the charity for, look at a humming noise. Somebody farting? Something's going on.
Jamie, close your legs.
Tonight's benefit is a very special show. We weren't supposed to have a show. We decided to push it up another Sunday. Last Sunday we raised $640. This Sunday we want to do another $5. I have a goal and I always reach it. And if we don't reach it, Derek's working in the morning. Oh, well, thank you, honey.
Yeah.
Trying to make my boobies bigger.
Well, sorry.
There's some more money. But anyway, as whoever doesn't know Dave, Dave's sitting in the front seat with a red hat on. He had brain surgeries, cancer. We also have a female up in New York, Katie, which is a very good friend of Wade's and Derek's. So we are raising money for her also with cancer. What we're going to do is what we raise, we're splitting between those two. This is what we do. This is why we're here. I want to let everybody know, and I'm going to take a few minutes. I'm going to take a few minutes for those two people that are having and going through this. Their partners are also going through it too. I was there, I've been there, and it's hell. Hector, I have a lot of envy for you because you're going through this with Dave, and we're hoping, and I'm hoping that Katie has people up there with her going through the same thing. It's a tough situation, but as long as you love him, you're going to make it through. All right, moving right along, since I've talked so much.
So I gave you that $1.